Have you ever wondered why incredibly smart AI systems make surprisingly dumb mistakes when they're looking at your private enterprise data? It's kind of fascinating, right? I mean, we've all seen large language models write beautiful poetry or ace the bar exam, but the second you ask them a crucial question about your internal company documents, suddenly they might confidently invent an answer that is just completely wrong. Well, let's dive into this. Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're putting on our trench coats and playing the role of the AI detective. We're going to open the case file on exactly why traditional data retrieval systems fail in enterprise applications, and more importantly, how a revolutionary approach called GraphRAG is totally changing the game. So here's the roadmap for our investigation today. We'll cover the AI detective problem, when vector search fails, connecting the missing dots, enter GraphRAG, real-world AI unlocked, and finally, the future of enterprise AI. Let's get right into it. Chapter 1. The AI detective problem. Understanding the basics. Okay, before we can solve the mystery of why the system breaks, we really need to understand our baseline. You've probably heard the term RAG, which stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation. In plain English, RAG is basically like giving our AI detective a stack of specific, highly relevant case files to read right before it's allowed to answer your questions. You see, pre-trained models have a knowledge cutoff. They don't know what happened yesterday, and they absolutely do not have security clearance to see your company's private records. So, RAG grounds the AI. It pulls your external data and drops it right into the AI's context window. It's essentially a guardrail to prevent the AI from just making wild guesses. To put that into perspective, a standard large language model is like a brilliant detective who's been locked in a library reading general knowledge, but hasn't seen a newspaper in 2 years. Now, an LLM equipped with RAG, that's the exact same brilliant detective, but now you're sliding your updated private enterprise files right across their desk. It's a massive upgrade. But, as we're about to see, just giving the detective the files doesn't guarantee they actually read them correctly. Which brings us to Chapter 2, when vector search fails, when RAG breaks down. This right here is the turning point of our investigation. It's where the standard RAG detective starts dropping the ball. See, standard RAG uses something called vector search, which basically chops your documents into little pieces, or chunks, and then searches them for semantic similarity. But that comes with some serious limitations. It leads to fragmented context, it pulls in high noise, meaning it grabs a lot of irrelevant chunks, it completely misses multi-hop reasoning, meaning it can't connect a clue in document A to a clue all the way over in document Z. And the worst part? It results in plausible hallucinations. Because the AI is only getting these isolated, disconnected chunks of data, it confidently fills in the blanks with entirely wrong information. Let's make this concrete with a real example. Imagine a law enforcement scenario we'll call Case 123. We ask our standard AI detective a really simple question, based on witness statements. Is the perpetrator left-handed? Well, here is exactly how the standard RAG system fails. The system searches your files for keywords and semantics. It grabs witness A's statement, which mentions the perpetrator had a bandage on their left index finger. But because of how vector search ranks information, the system completely misses witness C's statement, the one that explicitly states the perpetrator threw a bag with her right hand. So our AI agent, operating on this incomplete context, confidently hallucinates the wrong answer. It tells you that the bandage on the left hand implies the perpetrator is left-handed. The detective completely botched the case. Let's look at why that happens in Chapter 3, Connecting the Missing Dots, the mechanical flaw. We really need to understand the exact mechanical reason standard RAG misses these crucial witness statements, and it all comes down to a peephole. Standard RAG is literally like looking through a tiny peephole into a room. You can clearly see an isolated paragraph, maybe that one sentence about a bandage, but you are completely blind to the other side of the room where the suspect is throwing a bag with her right hand. You miss the complete picture. This fragmented context ruins any chance of the AI understanding complex relationships. Plus, it destroys explainability because you have no idea what the AI didn't see. Let's look at the actual math behind this peephole effect. There's this amazing example from the Rockefeller Archive Center. Researchers asked their AI, how is Lortzen related to cyclotron research? The standard RAG system used cosine similarity to find the most mathematically similar documents, and the system found document 1 and document 2, giving them massive similarity scores, around 0.9. That sounds great, right? But neither of those top documents even mentioned the name Lortzen. The vector search grabbed text chunks based on general semantic similarity about cyclotrons, but entirely missed the specific entity relationship the user actually asked for. It's a huge blind spot. So how do we fix this? Chapter 4. Enter GraphRAG, the graph solution. It is time to introduce the hero of our story, the thing that fixes this entirely broken system, GraphRAG. To understand it, we first have to understand its foundation, which is the knowledge graph. A knowledge graph is a data structure made up of typed entities, attributes, and meaningful named relationships. Let's go back to our detective analogy. If standard RAG is looking through a peephole at isolated pages, a knowledge graph is the ultimate detective string board. You know the one, the giant corkboard on the wall where you pin up a photo of a person, a place, and an event, and you connect them all with red string. It maps out exactly how everything is related. So how does this build a better system? Well, the real magic lies in how GraphRAG takes all your messy, unstructured case files, your emails, chats, PDFs, the whole shebang, and uses the LLM to extract the entities and relationships. It maps those unstructured documents into a highly structured, highly connected knowledge graph. It completely transforms random disconnected paragraphs into a fully navigable map of facts. The step-by-step mechanics look like this. First, you read the unstructured data. Second, you build the knowledge graph. You build that string board. Third, and this is absolutely crucial, when you ask a question, the LLM queries the connected graph, not just isolated chunks of text. It actually traces the relationships and follows the red string before it ever opens its mouth to answer. And finally, step 4, it generates an accurate, deeply grounded answer based on the complete context. Chapter 5. Real-World AI Unlocked. Solving Real Mysteries. Let's talk about what happens when you turn the lights on with GraphRAG in real enterprise environments. I absolutely love this quote from the source material. Knowledge graphs provide transparent information paths and structured reasoning that users can trace and validate. This is massive. A human domain expert, like a doctor or a police detective, cannot just blindly trust a black box. With GraphRAG, because the AI literally walked the red string on the graph to find the answer, the human expert can actually trace that exact path backwards to validate the AI's reasoning. It brings trust back to the system. And the real-world applications are incredible. In law enforcement, GraphRAG is tracking crime syndicates by performing multi-hop reasoning, like connecting a suspect to a vehicle, that vehicle to an address, and that address to another suspect. Over at the Rockefeller Archives, it connects historical researchers by identifying shared topics across decades of completely disconnected diary entries. In healthcare, it maps complex patient similarity networks to accelerate drug discovery. These are massive, complex problems that require connecting the dots. Standard vector search simply cannot do that reliably. Chapter 6. The Future of Enterprise AI. A massive tech shift. So, what does this all mean for your business intelligence? Well, this comparison summarizes everything we've uncovered today. With standard RAG, your context is fragmented, but with GraphRAG, it's connected and complete. Standard RAG offers low explainability. It's just a black box. GraphRAG, however, offers high explainability through those traceable paths we talked about. And most importantly, because standard RAG operates on incomplete information, the hallucination risk is incredibly high. GraphRAG drastically lowers that risk by grounding the LLM in structured, verifiable truth. GraphRAG isn't just a nice-to-have feature. It is the essential upgrade you need to fix a broken enterprise data system. Combining large language models with knowledge graphs represents what experts are now calling the third wave of AI. We are moving past simple text generation and stepping into the realm of contextual, accurate, and explainable intelligence. It brings true logic and safety to mission-critical applications. We're finally giving the AI detective their string board, and honestly, it's changing everything. I want to leave you with one final provocative question to think about. What hidden connections is your current AI missing in your enterprise data right now? How much value is currently trapped in your disconnected files simply because your AI is looking through a tiny p-hole? It might just be time to tear down that wall and build a knowledge graph. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning, keep questioning, and I'll catch you next time.